Hello everyone. Normally, when we visit a website that has a lot of courses, products, or the options, it can quickly become overwhelming. Users have to search manually, apply the filters, click through the different pages, and spend time just to find the useful information. And that process is not only slow but also very confusing for many people. Now, think about this. What if instead of doing all this manually, you have an AI that could navigate the website for you? And not just a chatbot where you have to type everything. Imagine a voice AI where you can just simply ask and it will understand what you're looking for, ask the right follow up questions, and based on your answer, it will automatically update the website for you. And to make the experience even more engaging, we add an avatar too. Now, it does not feel like you are interacting with the system, it feels like you are talking to a real assistant. So you just speak and the AI understand your intent and it guides you step by step, applies the filter and shows exactly what you need. So in this video, I want to show you a practical demo of how we can actually build this kind of experience. So I have created a simple website which contains the multiple courses across the areas like AI, security, DevOps. So instead of the traditional way where the users manually search and filter, we have added a voice AI layer on top of the website. Now we are using the Microsoft Foundry Voice Live API where we enable the real-time voice interaction. And since it also supports the avatar, we have integrated that as well to make the interaction more humanly and engaging. Now, the most important part is that the AI actually performs the actions on the website. And for that, we are using the function calling. So when the user speaks, the AI not only understands the intent, but also triggers the actions like applying the filters, selecting the categories, and refining the result. So this is not just a chatbot giving answers, it actually navigating the website for the users. And in the demo, I will show you the complete flow in action. You will see how the user speaks naturally and how AI responds with the voice and the avatar, asking clarifying questions and how the website is updated in the real time without even touching any button or clicking any button. And this is a small step, but actually it clearly shows how we can move towards building a smarter and interactive websites where users don't have to struggle to find the information and the system and assistant will do that for you. So let's check this in lab. I am in Azure portal now and I have already created a Microsoft Foundry hub and the project. So once we click on the Foundry portal, which should open this, and let's go to the build. And in the build, if you'll go to the models, and in the models, if you'll go to AI services, there is a voice live option. So now here you can define which AI model you have to use. For example, GPT-5, and what is the response, advanced settings, semantic word, end of utterance, audio enhancement, all these features. I have already created a video on explaining all these features to you, and then you can select the avatar too, which avatar you want to use from here. So now if you'll go in the code, you can use this code. So what I have done is I have created one website. So let me quickly open the VS Code. So I have created one website in React and Python and the Fast API, and then added the voice model. So if we'll go the server.py, there is a voice live API which is added here. As you can see, Azure AI Voice Live. It connects to the website and it also opens the avatar so that it feels more interactive. As in the system instructions, the instructions are provided, how it should navigate among the website, and for filtering, we are using the function tool or function calling. So what level of different filters are available and how it should use it. So let me quickly give you a demo of this. So let me open the website first. So npm run dev on port 4173. Let's open this 4173. Now this is the website and there are around 42 different courses which are available, and you can filter them based on what level of course you want, beginner, intermediate, and then what training level. So you can filter it by yourself. So, and another option is the voice option. So let me first enable the voice option. So I'm using the Python fast API for this and running the server.py. So it's enabled. Now what we have to do is go to this website and click on the voice button. So when we click on this button, as you can see here, it connects to avatar. Hello. Hello there. I am the Course Atlas assistant. I can help you find the right course for you. Which field are you looking for? Actually, I'm looking for AI course. Great. AI it is. Which level do you prefer? Beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Intermediate level. Got it. Intermediate. Which training type do you want? Certification course, self-paced training, or instructor-led? I want the self-paced training. Here are 3 good self-paced intermediate AI options I found. And I want Azure OpenAI course. Thanks. That sounds like you mean the course should focus on Azure OpenAI RAG. Yes. Building AI apps with Azure OpenAI and RAG is selected on screen. It focuses on creating grounded Copilot experiences using retrieval, prompt patterns, and safety controls, so it matches your interest in OpenAI RAG. Would you like help creating a study plan for this course? No, I don't want a study plan. No problem. The course remains selected on screen. If you change your mind later, I can help with the study plan, practice tasks, or resources. Would you like anything else right now? No, thank you so much. So now you notice that it has navigated through the different filters. Now AI has found the course for me. And it was very interactive, and where it was asking me the right set of questions and I was answering them. So this is a very basic website which I've created with an AI filtering. Now think about it, if you can add a memory feature here. So whenever a user logs in, and it can talk to the AI and create the study plan, and it will remember the previous conversation. So next time when you'll ask for any other course, so it will provide you the next course, not exactly the same one, and you don't have to repeat the same things again. And this provides a more interactive experience. And it's a high time companies should move from chatbots or the IVRs to interactive voice AI. And if you can add an avatar, that will be really an add-on because it feels more interactive. Now that's all I wanted to show in this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.